Hello everyone, this is me Rishabh. Welcome back to my new podcast. So here I have brought an IT engineer, Mr. Ram. So Mr. Ram have been working in IT industry for 3 to 4 years. So let us talk to him and let us know about how to get job and all thing about IT industry. Hello Mr. Ram, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing well actually. And what about you, Rishabh?
Yeah, I'm also doing fantastic. So, Mr. Ram, as I have mentioned the topic that today we will talk all about IT industries because lot of people like really suffer when they are going for an IT job, or a lot of people don't know what is IT sector and how to get promotions and how to get job. So today's our wonderful topic will be about it.
Okay. Yeah,
Fine.
definitely. That's a quite a good topic actually, and we can have a good discussion over that because I often feel actually people are not aware about the IT industry, so we can talk over it.
Okay, fine. So, Mr. Ram, can you little bit introduce yourself that what you do and everything about
Yes, actually, my name is Ram, and right now actually I'm from Bareilly, UP, which is in UP, and I have done actually my graduation in that IT sector, and after that, like I'm pursuing MBA from IT and HR, and side by side I'm working in IT industry, and it's been like 3 years, and my company name is Admitat Media Private Limited. So right now I'm working over there in IT department.
Okay, fine. That's great. So let us start the things. Okay. So my first and very basic question. Okay, start with here. So like, what is IT industry? Okay, when the name comes in our mind, that what is IT industry? So can you explain that what is the meaning of IT industry?
Okay. So the basic meaning is that IT of the IT stand for information technology, and it is a industry where we do work on the internet over the internet. Suppose that if you will see there is a company which is developing some kind of softwares and all. So for that company, we can say it is a IT company, and this is that is. And apart from this, there are lots of companies which do provide the securities for the companies, and do provide the internet for the companies. So that kind of companies actually we do say it is a IT industry and all. So it is all about the IT industry.
Okay, fine. So we like know about what is IT industry. Okay, as you explain the things in a in a good way. So my next question is that how can we enter into IT industries? Okay, if I or if the different people are from different backgrounds, okay, are from different fields, so how they can easily enter in the IT industry?
Okay. If I talk about the beauty of IT industry, actually, suppose that if you are working, like it does not means you should be your graduation and your like basic qualification should be in IT and some kind of computer science and all. Like it is something actually if you have done your graduation and post graduation in something else, like it could be MA, it could be BA, it could be anything actually, BCom and something like that. Still, you can enter in the IT industry. So that is the beauty. And if you want to edit in that phase, if you want to add and if you want to actually jump into IT industry, there are some kind of certifications and there are some kind of courses actually. So before entering you have to do that kind of courses, and after that you can enter. So that is the good thing actually.
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah,
Mm.
so that is really wonderful. And my next question is that okay, my third question is all about that how can we get job? Okay, because a lot of people suffer from job, okay, and they like a lot of people want to get job in IT industry, but they can't get due to a lot of reason. So if any like person is there and if you want to get job in IT industry, so what he have to do? What are the things he need to follow or how to get job in simple words? Can you explain the thing?
Okay. So in that phase actually, what I do understand, first of all, you have to done your graduation. After that, what you can do, like you have to make your mind very clear, like where I want to go. Like if you have interest in software development, then there are some softwares like you can uh, develop, like you can learn about the some programming language like HTML, then CSS, then Python, and then JavaScript, and there are so many languages actually. So first of all, you have to make your mind. And apart from this, there in IT industry, actually, there are different courses. Like you can go in programming, you can go in security, you can go in technical support. That is the general one. So that is how you have to make your mind. After that, you can choose the course according to your like whatever you have decided, and that's how you can enter actually. After pursuing and after completing that course, you can give the interview, and if you will get passed, definitely you will be able to enter actually.
Okay, means it depends on our interest, okay, that in which field we want to go, and we can
Yes,
easily use that field.
yes, actually, because It is all about means there are certain course actually you cannot complete. You cannot be a person like who can work anywhere. First of all, you have to make your mind. You want to work in software in development department, or where you want to work in a security department, or where you want to work like you want to give a general security and the general technical support and all. So that's how you can make your mind, and after that you can do course, then you can enter.
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah, you explained the things very well. And the next question is that okay, like those who are already got a job or those who are already done job in IT industry or IT field, okay, like those who are already in the field of job. So the main question comes in their mind, okay, they don't get promotions or something, they don't know about the promotion. So can you tell me that how they can get promotions in their job or what is the process of promotion like and something about promotion?
Okay. So for actually, according to me, to getting the promotion, actually, if you are working in IT and if you are working already, so in that phase, actually, means meanwhile, like you are working and side by side, what you can do, you should upgrade yourself. You should do some kind of certification. Suppose that there is a kind of department which is networking department. So to enter the networking department, you have to do there is a course which is CCNA. So after that CCNA, you will enter this department. If you want to upgrade, if you want promotion on that department, then there are more upgraded courses actually, that CCNP, then CCI, and something like that. So
Mhm.
right, like you are working and side by side you have to upgrade yourself, then only you will get a good promotion actually. And that
Okay,
is
okay.
quite simple. Yeah, that is quite simple, and it could apply anywhere actually, like for programming, for other sectors as well. So you have to upgrade, and then only you can get a good promotion.
So, Mr. Ram, like, if how to work and how to get away or how to get rid of office politics in IT sector? Because I have been talking to a lot of people from IT industry. So they say that we can't work effectively, or they have a lot of office politics in their like office. So how can we get rid of these kind of things?
Okay. So actually, if you want to work nicely and safely in IT industry and in any other industry, actually, you have to avoid office politics, and you have to avoid. There are so many things actually which will be happen actually, but you have to avoid actually. So in that ways, actually, how you can avoid? First of all, you must have good relations with your seniors. Like suppose that there is your manager, so you have a good foundation, good connection with your manager. Apart from this, like there would be some kind of small choices will be over there, like small things will happen which you will not like. So in that phase, actually, you have to tolerate such kind of things. You cannot instantly react. Suppose that personally, actually, I don't drink. So in my office, when party will happen and such kind of occasion will happen, then they do drink actually. So it does not mean, oh my god, I am not drink, like I don't drink, so you can also not drink. And I don't smoke, then you can also not smoke. At some point of time, what you can do, you can give your support. You can sit together. If you don't want to drink, it's okay, but you cannot directly say, oh my god, this is something which I don't like, so please don't do. So that's how actually, like, that kind of small things actually we can keep on our mind, and we can avoid such kind of things, and we can work nicely. Like instantly we should not react actually, whatever happened. That is
Okay,
actually,
okay.
yeah.
Not reactive.
Yes.
Yeah, like this happens not only in IT industries or something okay in job, in every part of life. Okay, if you want to have something, okay, if you want to do something in life, so you should not be reactive. So this is called emotional intelligence. I
Yes,
think you
that.
should be emotional intelligence also. Okay, fine.
Yes.
And my last question is that okay, this question I ask from most of the people. So my last question is that like, what is a piece of advice you would like to give to the people who want to do job in IT industries or who are already doing job in IT industry? Like, what is a piece of suggestion you want to give them as you are working? You have a good experience of 3 to 4 years. Okay, you know a lot of things. So, what is a piece of advice if anybody will ask you? So, what would you like to say?
Okay, so in first phase, actually, I want to give the advice for those people who are going to work and who are actually asking for the work in IT industry. So for those people, actually, that is it's quite safe actually, and that is something which is like that industry. If I talk about, like, you can easily jump, and you will get lot of things, and you will learn lot of things actually. So you can easily work. And the beauty of, I have already mentioned, like it does not mean you should have a heavy background, that to CS and all. You can, like, from any, you can be from any background, so you can jump and you can easily work. So
Mm.
for work, actually do something, do some kind of certifications, do hard work, and after that you can enter. And if I talk about for those people who are working over there, so this is something, actually, if you are doing something, then you have to upgrade, you have to keep upgrade yourself at on the daily basis. Actually means what is the new things are coming, and you should learn something. Actually you can make a goal, means today I will find something, I will search something from the internet, and I will understand to upgrade myself. So
Mm.
in whatever department actually you are working, there should be, means every second you will get some kind of updates and upgrades, actually, so
Uh-huh.
you have to update, and you have, after getting update and after reading update, actually you can upgrade yourself. And on the daily basis, actually you can do that kind of activities, and definitely you will see drastic changes actually on your curve,
Uh,
actually, like motion and all. So that is, I just wanted to say for those people.
okay, fine. So you great, like you gave a good piece of advice. Okay, I hope like our listener would take this advice. Okay, and they would definitely follow if they want to get ahead in the IT sector. And thank you, Mr. Ram. It's now time to end our podcast. Okay, I think we have discussed all the basic things. Okay, because I asked a lot of people. Okay, they gave me this much problem only, and I also learned a lot of things about IT industry. Okay, I hope our listener have also got a lot of things to learn about IT industry. Okay, thank you so much for coming to my podcast, and thank you so much
Thank
for giving me this time.
Okay, well.